How to speed up slow motion video on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Gallery and click on the video you want to speed up. Now press on Next at the bottom left corner of your screen. In here, you'll find two lines above your video. If the part of the video is in between the lines, it will be slow motion. Now to speed up, make sure it's not in between the two lines. As you can see, the first part is speed up and the video in between the lines is slow motion. And this is how to speed up slow motion video on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.